So Rinku, congratulations. So tell us a little more about yourself. All these guys who are listening to you.
Hi guys, I'm Rinku Puri. I did my BDS from MATES and completed my internship in October 2023. And I joined ACE from starting of my internship.
So Rinku, how did you go about preparing internship? तुम्हारी बहुत busy रहती है. You have a lot of work in mids. So getting time for yourself and managing your preparation. Obviously the 4 years that you spend there वहाँ पे पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी है, so it does make a difference. But yeah, internship में उसे पूरा पूरा कंजेस्ट करना and उसका just लेके एग्जाम देना. How did you go about your preparation whole year?
So first, I would like to thank my senior Akshita Mehta ma'am. She was the one who told me to join ACE because in MATES you have many options, many coachings are free.
तो बहुत सारे
तो-
तुम्हें अकाउंट फ्री भी मिलते हैं
फ्री मिलते
बट
हैं
हम फ्री नहीं देते. Still you choose us.
यस सर, एक ही कोचिंग है जिसमें पैसे लगाए थे. एंड मतलब फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग आई started taking lectures. Initially, I used to take lectures on Sunday, and in whole week I used to do the MCQs provided by the academy. I was very strict about this that I will do the academy provided MCQs, and on Saturdays it was fixed for me. On Saturday I used to do your book. Initially, I didn't do, but then one day, ma'am told me you should do the book, then not leave it for last. Then I started doing that regularly.
So doing doing my book regularly, do you think it made the difference in the exam?
Yes, sir. मतलब मैं हर छोटी चीज से पैनिक हो जाती हूँ, बट मतलब MCQ आपके बुक के क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन करने से in the मतलब last week of NEET MDS, I was so confident, and that was the first exam. Even मतलब it is first exam in my lifetime कि मैं एग्जाम देने गई हूँ और मैं पैनिक नहीं कर रही थी. Even in exam I was मतलब of course mock test का advantage था वो, लेकिन I was very confident about my concepts and था कि यार इतने difficult question कर लिए हैं तो ये तो हो ही जाएगा.
So all those who will not be knowing Akshita Mehta was her senior from MATES only, and she was ranked 4th, and she was also from the academy. So all you guys make us proud every year. So MATES we get selections every year. This time it's no different. Rinku is there. We have a couple of more selections. So Rinku, regarding the consistency part, because you look सब intern है, तुम्हारी टाइम पाना मुश्किल हो जाता है, मोटिवेशन में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहती है. What will you say to that?
The most important thing is consistency. पीछे वाले टॉपिक्स मत पढ़ना. Go with academy and follow the academy blindly. They know what is better, what is good for us, and how we should prepare. ये बहुत important है because many people think, okay, I have left that topic, I will do this, then I will continue. But this is wrong. Whatever the syllabus is going on, follow that. और इंटर्नशिप के बाद इनफ टाइम मिल जाएगा वो जो भी छूट गया है उसको प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. बाकी गिव टेस्ट रेगुलरली. आई हैव गिवन माय एवरी टेस्ट. इवन मेरी पढ़ाई नहीं भी हुई फिर भी गिव एवरी टेस्ट ऑन सैटरडे संडे whichever day, and of course on Monday evaluate the solutions and learn from the solutions. बस टेस्ट देना काम नहीं है, उनको इवैल्यूएट करना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है व्हाट यू हैव सेड. परहैप्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग पूरे हफ्ते में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो यही है कि तो थ्योरी तो फॉलो करनी है बट टेस्ट देना बहुत जरूरी है. उसको देख के इवैल्यूएट भी करना बहुत जरूरी है. पढ़ता ही है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट क्या आता है, जो नहीं आता है इट्स अबाउट दैट. एग्जाम के अंदर ऐसे ही आता है. सो दैट्स अबाउट इट. थैंक यू रिंकू.